So the first thing we're going to do is start a new Python shell, and we're going to start off by writing our comments and names. So this is lab 2.21, and we're going to put the class name and a brief description of what the program does. So this program calculates the amount of time the ray of light passes the distance from the sun to the earth. And we're going to import math, so that way our math function is turned on in our Python. And we're also going to define main. Alright, and the first thing we need to calculate while processing, and a quick comment for it would be calculating the time in respect to the distance and speed provided in question. And we're going to start off our program first by defining our speed. The formula for the speed that we were given is 3 times 10 to the power of 8. And the distance we were provided is 1.5. Multiply that by 10 to the power of 11. And the formula, time is equal to distance divided by speed. And now the distance that we're going to get from this formula is going to be in seconds, so we need to convert that into minutes. So we're going to put in time in minutes, and that's going to be time from this formula divided by 60 for 60 seconds. And now we're going to create a section for our output, and we're going to type in here And what we're going to do is print parentheses, and we're going to type in the ray of light passes the distance from the sun to the earth in and we have to move down and we're going to type in, we're going to put in this bracket because we already used one type of bracket earlier. Time in minutes. Time in minutes. And seconds, and we're gonna close this and we're gonna put in format to help our program understand where we're getting this calculation from. Time in minutes is equal to time in minutes. Now that's going to be our program, and we're just going to put in our function for calculation, and it's going to be if name to main and we're going to save this program, and the name of this program is going to be Shahi underscore simple 2. And we're just going to run this program. And to troubleshoot, we're going to do that. I figured out what it was. Run mod. Yes, and that's how I got my answer